Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Premiere Elements. Alright, so let's just jump right in. Let's get started. Alright, to start off, you're going to go to File, New, Project. I don't know, I'll just name it Tutorial for right now. Whoops, my bad. Alright, what? No, do not overwrite. Alright, file, yeah, sure, overwrite, I don't care. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. Alright, well, first thing, guess instant full content. This will just give you more themes and titles and stuff like that. Not much, but it's something to look at. But nothing really worked for me. I checked it out, but not much. Alright, so let's just learn the basics. Since I'm expecting this to be beginners because you probably just got this and you're trying to learn how to use the system. Alright, so let me just try to teach you the program. So down here is your timeline and scene line. Scene line is if you're just trying to throw something together real quick and get it out of the house. Just you can grab the video, drop it right in there, and it'll keep going and make an entire line across the top of the screen up here. You can also put your soundtracks right over here and narration here. Okay, I have no clue what that is. Sorry, that keeps popping up for some reason. Alright, timeline. This is what I use. This is for something if you want to space out your clips and move it around and give it some more time. You can do things more on your own. It's more view besides the machine. Basically right now. Alright. So right above it we have the select tool, which I'm using. Time stretch tool, which I'll be teaching later. Pan and zoom tool. That just zooms into stuff. Not much. I don't have anything right now. The smart trim tool, which if you put this on, you can trim it wherever you want. I'm gonna turn that off. Motion tracking mode. Not quite sure. I haven't really used that much. Properties, and then just everything of this. Audio tools. This is smart fix, audio, add narration, smart sound. Now we have right here, I think it's let me check. Markers. Menu marker, beat marker, and timeline marker. So that's basically everything for this part that you need to know. And right here, this part, this is just to show you, like if you have something down here that you want to see what's happening, you're going to want to, well, this is where you're going to see, this is where it's going to play back. But before any of that, you're going to need your media. So that's how to get media. Alright, so this is what you do. You go over to get media. My stuff, I put that on my files right off my camera and just download it to my computer. So I go to find files and folders. So that's all there. Whoops, not mean to do that. And we have media here. This is just everything that you already have in here. And you can trash stuff, new stuff, folder, tutorial. Well, that's just what the video is called. Instant movie just creates a movie. You just takes all the clips and puts it together. Editing is your effects, transitions, titles, themes, and clip art. I don't use the clip art themes, but I do use some titles and effects and transitions. I mean, right now I'm not using this really at all because I just got new software that is better. So this is just something that I have in case I want to throw something together real quick. Alright, so these have adjust, blur and sharpen, channel, color correction, distort, generate, image control, keying, new blue art effects elements, new blue cartoon plus elements, new blue film look, perspective, pixelate, render, stylize, time, transform, video stabilizer, video merge. There's not really much in here that I've used. I only use like, I don't think I use these really. It was more like transitioning, so I don't think it was used, but effects, oh no, that is effects. Transitions. This is basically what I use, because if you're trying to make a skate video or something, stay away from like the swing, like the old Microsoft ones. The ones, they look kind of cheesy, and they don't look that good in your video, and they kind of make it look unprofessional. So what I really use is dip to black and dip to white. Dip to white if you're going to another, like if it's a bright video, or if you're coming from a video and the next video is bright, it starts off bright, you could use dip to white and probably go to that, but I've never used that before, so I would not know. And you probably do like some fade thing. So I don't know. box explode. Let's just go across some of these. Wiggle, spiral rotation. Another one. You can check these out if you get it, or if you have it already. These aren't that. I don't need to babysit you on. Disk menus. These are just menus for making video, or making something and putting it on a disk. That's something else. I mean, I'm not using this right now, but if you are, maybe I can help you out with that. If you just send me something, I'll make another video. Alright, sharing. This is what you're probably going to be using this for the most. I didn't use any of these but online because I use YouTube. Go down straight to YouTube for me, unless you want to upload for Facebook. That's basically, a little the same. HD, SD, PAL, HD, SD. PAL means it will just go to high quality without them having to change it. So, YouTube. I'd use either 1920 or 1440 for HD things. So, because the PAL, like I said, as you can see, high definition preset for YouTube. So, go straight to that. Not much, just some simple stuff. I don't know what that is. So that's basically the starter stuff, the beginners things that you need. And that's about it. For cutting, what you really want to do is you're going to go for where you want in the video, hit this button, and it'll split it right there. And the delete a video, you right click it right on the video where you want to delete, and it'll come up with the whole menu of things, and you go to clear it. That'll clear it right out. Not much. Add text. It just comes up with text you can put in there and stuff. Not something I really use very. I only use it sometimes. But that's that. Alright. Picture. This is actually pretty cool. I use it sometimes. If I'm just filming like a video and if I was filming a skate video and somebody is doing something cool on set, I'll click that right in the middle and it'll freeze the frame where it's at. I think it's a freeze frame right there, and it'll take a picture of it, and you can copy and do whatever you want to that. Put it on Facebook, do all the cool stuff. Time stretching. Time stretching is you click on the time stretch, you grab your video. Even I don't even know if I can do this, and you stretch it out. For videos, it'll probably make it choppy if it's not at a high FPS or frame per second. So that's I use that sometimes, not really though. So that's the basics, really. Yeah. Save. That's basically it. I didn't do too much up here except undo and redo. Clip. You can rename your clips. You got your timeline, disk, title, window, help. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks. Rate, comment, subscribe. Do what you need to do. See ya.